In this video, I will be discussing the 4 best tricks that you need to master to be a dip buying expert. Whether you are an investor, a swing trader, or a day trader, you need to know these 4 tricks. And if you stay until the end, I'm actually going to show you a secret 5th one. So again, here we go now. And also, if you haven't already, I would love if you subscribed and hit the like button. But anyways, to stop wasting your time, I'm going to get into the video now. What you need to know are 4 crucial factors, and that number 1 is an uptrend, right? If you want to buy a stock, or if you want to dip buy a stock, the stock needs to be in an uptrend. Now, what do I mean by an uptrend? An uptrend means when the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, or also when you look at the chart, it goes from the bottom left to the top right. The stock is going up. You're not trying to dip buy a stock that is crashing. That is not the best time to dip buy. It's to buy during an uptrend. So that is your first tip and trick. Buy or dip buy stocks that are in an uptrend. Second, the most important one, I think, is a doji. You need to watch out for the doji levels. So you may be wondering, what is a doji candlestick, Austin? Well, it is simply this. I'm going to zoom in here and show you a great example. This right here is a doji, and when they form, they show that they are indicative of a reversal, that the stock will be reversing. So what we're looking at here is this. When a stock is uptrending and it's near a support level, later in the video, I'll actually take you to a daily time frame to show you on a different chart, but you have these support levels, and as you're going up, you develop the support level, the resistance level, the support level, whatever, and it keeps stair stepping up. But if you want to dip buy perfectly, you need to find the doji that's happening at that support level. So this is the support level, and this is the doji, which means a small body and a long candle. So for instance, this is a small body and a long wick, small body, long wicks. But this did not show a reversal because it wasn't at a strong support level. So the doji must also be at a support level for this to work. So that is tip number 2. 1 is make sure the stock is in an uptrend, and 2 is find a doji happening at the support level. The next is to use a moving average approach. Now, I discuss moving averages a lot on this channel, and that's because they are very important to your success. So you can come over here, and you can, for instance, use a simple moving average, and from there, let's see if we start to add it. And I'm going to use the 200, but you can adjust it based on what you need and use. Again, you can change it a lot. You can actually find dip buying opportunities from this as well. So, for instance, I saw one here. Let's zoom out a bit. Is here. You can see that the stock is in an uptrend, which is the first prereq, and then we had these dojis form on this support level or on the moving average, and then we saw a push up. So the moving average can also act as a support level. So to master dip buying, you need an uptrend, and I'm repeating this each time so it gets drilled in your head. You need an uptrend, you need a doji, and you need a support level, or in this instance, a moving average level. Now, the last one that you need is, it's very important that you use the right time frame. If you're swing trading, like I have here, right, you want to make sure you use the 15-minute time frame. But you can also move out to the daily time frame to understand the long-term trend, right? If you're trying to invest or you're trying to dip buy while the stock market on the daily chart is crashing down, you're not going to have good success, right? You want the stock to be at an upwards movement, and you want to be trading the dips within those and within the larger uptrend, because that just ensures that it works. So again, use time frame analysis, which means you use different time frames, use an uptrend and more. Now, the secret that I wanted to show you, the secret fifth step is this. Again, this will probably this is only on my platform, because this is only for my students and myself, but this is called the trending band indicator, and it shows us exactly where dip buys are. So for instance, when it goes below this bottom yellow line and then breaks back above it, that makes the perfect dip buying opportunity regardless of what time frame you are on. So if we come back down here, you can find that we'll also have good dip buying opportunities here as well. And if you want to learn more about this, the free links below. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, I have my my free swing trading 101 course up and developed. If not, you can also learn this approach in the free investing 101 course linked below. So please make sure you check out those resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can become a dip buying expert regardless of if you're an investor, swing trader, or day trader. Thank you for watching.